increase and then and we did the mathematics. We compared our rates to JCP&L and public service. So if you lived in Morris Township, Chatham Borough, Chatham Township, any town around us in those service areas that are your energy is supplied by JCP&L or public service, we're still lower. So if you the same amount of energy that you would buy for your home, if it was in any of those other towns, you would still be paying approximately 5% more. So we had a great bargain. Now it's a lesser bargain in Madison than it was, and I will explain the reason. We don't generate our own electricity. Well, people say, what do you mean by that? We ride by, we see a substation on Kings Road as you head right by, on the right-hand side by the railroad bridge as you're heading towards the Y. On the right-hand side, that's what's called a substation. What that means is we buy power off what's called the public power grid, which is run out of New York State, and they transmit electricity through the lines of JCP&L. We have a contract with JCP&L to deliver electricity at very high voltage to our substations, and we have two. One's at James Park, one's on Kings Road. And then we reduce the power there so that it's usable by our residential customers and our commercial customers. And that's the function of the substation is to reduce the voltage and then to transmit it out. And then we have our own employees. And if you notice in power outages, the surrounding towns, when their power goes out, they're out for days. When our power goes out, which is much less often, our power is back pretty quickly. That's because our employees live in our community, and the condition of their employment with us is they have to respond within 30 minutes of an outage. So we always have someone on standby 24 hours a day, 2 people, and then if required, we pull in the full crew. So that's why when we go out of service, we come back into service much quicker than the towns around us. So we have a high quality service, and it's still a bargain, but it's less of a bargain than it was before. What happened? You say, well, why isn't it a bargain anymore? The big bargain. We used to be 25 to 30% under the other carriers. What happened was in January 1st of 2008, a new purchase, what's called a purchase power contract, where we buy the electricity. We buy it wholesale, bring it into the community, and then we put a slight markup on it, and we sell it to our customers. And the retail portion of it is priced to return the cost of running the utility Iraq War, Hurricane Katrina, the Desert Storm, unrest in the Middle East, all of those things. Now we're in the real world environment and buying electricity. And the suppliers, they only sell it to you in two blocks. You can either buy it for 17 months or you can buy it for 41 months. When we went to buy electricity in 2007 to start January 1st, 2008, we went through 4 rounds of bidding, and there's 9 towns. We formed a cooperative association. We joined with 9 other towns who have these private utilities, and we buy as a group to buy more buying powers. Like instead of going to Stop and Shop or the local store, you go to Costco and you get a greater discount. Same way when you buy electricity, more people buying, you get a better price. So we and the other 9 towns joined groups and went out and bought. The problem was the cost of the electricity to Madison, the lowest price that we were able to get after going through 4 rounds of bids. We and the other towns, the cost to Madison went up 106% in 1 year. So the same amount of electricity that in 2007 cost us $7.5 million to buy, in 2008 it cost us $16.2 million to buy the same amount of electricity. The other 9 towns hadn't saved for a rainy day. So I'm going to I'll mention some of the towns: Butler, Lavalette, Milltown, Pemberton, South River, sent out rate increases immediately last year, January 1st of 2008, to the residents, ranging from 71% to 101% to their residents. Madison chose not to do that. We had saved for a rainy day. You and I had paid our electric bills. So there was funds in a surplus account. So when public service makes money,